Hey guys, Bill here. Hold on to your seats. I got a picture that's kind of creepy. It just came in from Reboot Pekova, and Reboot wrote, "Is this creepy photo real?" Guys, I can assure you there's nothing to be scared of here, okay? I mean, it's just a picture. But on the other hand, is this picture really showing some kind of dead vampire? Taking a closer look, it does have some very prominent fangs, which look like something you might find on a vampire. But on the other hand, I mean, aren't vampires supposed to live forever? So why don't we do this? Let's just jump to the chase on this one. And this is how I want you to vote, okay? If you think this is a real photo of a real corpse, whether it's a mummy, a vampire, or whatever, then I want you to vote real, okay? Now, on the other hand, if you think this is a real photo of a fake corpse or a real corpse and it's in a fake photo, I mean, anything wrong with that combination, then I want you to vote fake, okay? So go ahead and make your votes, and I am going to dig up this, if you know what I mean. And I'm going to tell you what to... Oh, no. I don't know if you want to watch the rest of this one because, you know, the answer is a little bit scary. Because the official answer is, be strong now. The official answer is fake. Marlea Hansen and Ilan Agapito were the Smoking Gun Award winners on this one. What we're actually looking at is a creature called the Jenglot. It comes from Indonesia legend and resembles a tiny vampire. The legend says that if one of these things wanders into your life, you have to keep it like a pet and feed it with a few drops of blood every day. If you don't, great misfortune will come your way and your family. Hey, I don't know about you, but if one of those things wandered into my house, I'd be like packing my bags and say, "Hey, here's the keys. Have a good time." Hey, don't go away just yet. There are a whole lot more real or fakes you can look at. Just go ahead and click on one.